Hey, it's Digital Know-How, and today we're going to show you how to always download an image as a JPEG or PNG rather than AVIF or JFIF. Let's get started. First off, you want to make sure that you have file extensions shown. You can see this by trying to save your image. If you can see this little tag at the end, the dot whatever, for me it's WEBP, it could be .avif or .jfif or .png. If you can see this, then it's correct. If not, I'll show you how to do that now. To see your file extensions, you want to open File Explorer, hit View, hit Options, and now we have this window here. Here we're going to want to hit View, and you want to make sure that this checkbox here, Hide Extensions for Known File Types, you want to make sure this is unchecked. So if it's clicked like this, unclick it. From there, we can press Apply, and then OK, and we can close our File Explorer. Now that we have our extensions shown, I'll show you how to always save a file as your desired image type. To do this, you're going to want to come to the search bar, type in Registry Editor, or just reg what I did, and then you're going to run it as an administrator, like this. Now that we're in Registry Editor, you want to come to this computer, open the drop-down, see this HKey classes root, you want to open this, scroll down quite a bit. It's alphabetized so you can see where to end. You want to go past the dots, come to these, go all the way down till you get to M. Here we go. You want to skip past all this Microsoft stuff. Alright, you should find MIME. Open this folder, hit Database, Content Type, and scroll down just a little bit until you find Image. We're going to find Image JPEG, and as you can see, the value for extension is set as JFIF. This means that whenever we want to download a JPEG, it'll automatically create a JFIF file. And this is not what we want. So we're going to double-click Extension and just manually type in JPEG. Additionally, you could also make it so all WebP images download as JPEG. So we're going to change the WebP value to JPEG. You can modify this to make it so any file type downloaded can change into any other file type. Say I want to make my PNG downloads an AVIF. I could double-click Extension, .avif, and now all PNGs that I download will automatically be set as AVIFs. We're now free to close out Registry Editor. You don't need to hit save or anything. Now let's save the image. As you can see, it successfully is saving as a JPEG. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.